Are you wondering how to set up a YouTube channel and grow your subscribers from zero? Stay with me because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 12 steps involved in setting up a YouTube channel and grow your subscribers from zero. This is because I know that most of you have things you want to share to the public, things that you are passionate about, or either you want to connect to people in this media or you want to make it out a career in YouTube. The first step is to choose your equipment. The basic equipment for YouTube activities are your camera, video camera, your audio system, and a good lighting background. For your audio system and your video camera, you have to use your smartphone if you are a beginner. Smartphone has a good quality audio system and video camera. For the lighting, you can use your natural light. Let your natural light fall on your face and you record your video because lighting can impact greatly on the quality of your video. When you have choose your equipment, you also have to choose your audience. That is the second point. Choose your audience. You have to know who will be watching your channels and why they will be watching your channel. With this way, you should be able to know how many videos you upload for them, the quality of the video you upload to them, so that your video will add value to their life or add value to their career. The third point is to brainstorm ideas. The third point is to brainstorm video ideas. You have to brainstorm different video ideas so that you will not feel at a loss, so that you have something to continue sharing. As a beginner, if you brainstorm video ideas, you are going to come up with topics that you are going to develop and work on in the future. But if you do not brainstorm, you are going to feel at a loss at some point and you may not know what to say in your next video. The fourth point is to choose a topic. You have to choose a topic that you are very passionate about, a topic that concerns your channel, a topic on what you are going to discuss. That is what you are going to say. Don't say something that is not relevant to the channel. Only choose a topic that is appealing to the audience that you have chosen and then make it. The fifth point is to record your first video. You have to film your first video and make it something that is entertaining, because when you film your first video, it may not be beautiful, it may not be awesome, it may be awkward. But you just have to film your first video so that you can have people that view your channel, you can have people that can subscribe to you. The sixth step is to edit your video and create your thumbnail. Editing your video means removing areas that have mistakes in them and then leaving the areas that are good. When you do this, your video will have a good quality and then make subscribers to subscribe to your channel. The eighth step is to create your banners and write your channel description. In creating your banner, you have to make your banner very beautiful, that will attract people to your channel, that will attract people to your video. And write your channel description. This description has to do with everything that the video is talking about, so that whenever there is need for people to search for your video, YouTube will have the reason to present your video to the viewers. This your channel description will contain different key points that you are talking about in your video. You have to give out all the key points necessary, because it's with this key point that YouTube will be able to be presenting your video to the viewers. The ninth step is to upload your video. If you do not upload your video, there will not be any view, there will not be any subscribers. Anyhow the video is you have done, you have to upload it so that your subscribers can start. The 10th step is to like your video, comment on your video, and share your video. When you are finished uploading, this is very important, so that when people see that they have liked your video and commented on video, they will start commenting on video, liking your video, and sharing your video. Don't stuck in one place. Go out and share your video, market your video, bring traffic to your channel so that you can grow. The 12th step is to be consistent. You have to be consistent in uploading video on YouTube channel in order to grow very fast. You have to be consistent. Maybe you choose to upload videos every 3 weeks. You have to make it every 3 weeks. If you want to be uploading video every day, you have to make it every day. But let me remind you that in every minute, 500,000 videos are uploaded on YouTube. So in order to grow very fast, you have to upload videos on YouTube as frequently as possible. But bear in mind not to compromise your quality with content. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to record your video successfully with a high quality using your phone only. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel and comment. Hit the subscribers button below and press the bell notification to get notified anytime I'm releasing a video so that you help my channel grow on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribers button below and comment and share. Hit the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I'm releasing a video on YouTube channel. Help me grow in my YouTube channel by subscribing. Thank you for now. Bye. Thank you for now.